Hello and welcome to healthyhouseplants.com, where we teach you all about gardening in the great indoors. If you'd like to support our show, please use our Amazon affiliate link below. Today we have a plant spotlight with this beautiful pink Chinese evergreen, botanically known as Aglaonema. I love this plant. I really like Chinese evergreen overall, but I particularly love the pink one. The standard varieties are green and white, but as you can see, this pink one is aptly named the Pink Chinese Evergreen because it's pretty pink. And it really does a good job of keeping this pink color. I've had this one for a few years and it still looks really, really good. A lot of plants that are variegated, sometimes the variegation will fade, sometimes the new leaves that come in won't be variegated, but the Pink Chinese Evergreen does a really good job of keeping its variegation. Now, you do need to have it in higher light than the standard Chinese Evergreen. So you need a little bit more of a medium bright rather than a medium, which the standard one does take. So medium bright light for this beauty, and you're going to have some really, really, really nice foliage. As you can see, just really gorgeous. I'm going to do a little bit of a close-up so you can see even closer up how pretty that pink, all the pink variegation in the foliage is. And some of them are a little more pinky. Some of the pink is more pink, as you can see, and some of the pink is actually more of a coral color, which is really interesting. So it just really is a gorgeous plant. And when you look at the leaves, especially the leaves individually, as you can do here when I get close up here, they almost look like they've been painted, like someone took a pink and coral paint and painted on top of the leaf, which didn't happen because that's the way this plant is when it grows. But it's just fascinating to me how pretty, absolutely pretty it is. So you can see that this Pink Chinese Evergreen, Aglaonema, is really, really a pretty plant and definitely worth growing in your indoor garden if you find one. I would definitely suggest getting one, and pretty easy to grow too. I do have a care video on this plant and on the Chinese Evergreen in general. So I will put a link below for that and any other related videos down below. But this one was just to spotlight this beauty, talk about how pretty the plant is, and give you a nice close-up view of her. Thank you for stopping by today. Please leave any comments about any indoor gardening tutorials you'd like to see. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And please check the bell if you'd like to be notified when new videos are released.